watching this guy try to get to that bird feeder. And I have to say, I admire his persistence. I saw him go on this table right here and jump off the edge, and he almost made it from that table to that bird feeder. Now he's back. He's recalculating, rethinking his strategy. Let's see if he makes it. I don't know, dude. I was very impressed with his first. Oh, here we go. We're going to try it again, I bet. All right. I want to see this. It's really impressive how far he can jump. I wonder if he hears me talking. Probably. He doesn't care. Come on, I want to see you try it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, well, cleaning himself off to be more aerodynamic, gauging the wind direction and speed. Got to get there before the birds get it all. Oh, dude. You're letting me down, man. That's even further away. I guess he's really just exploring right now. He's trying to figure out what the best angle is. So this way he's closer to it as far as height goes, but he's quite a bit of ways away. He almost made it when he was on the edge of that table. And if he does make it, I'm going to go knock him off. Let's see if he makes it. Or if he tries. You can see what's on his mind. He's reaching a little pause out there. He sees all the birds on there and he's like, damn, they're getting everything. Darn hoonums. Put that food just out of reach. I'm gonna eat their fence. That'll teach them. Alright, well, I guess this is it.